As you can see, Europe, Asia, North America, South America, Oceania and Africa. It works worldwide. You won't require a camera or any abilities to get paid. Stay tuned to learn just how. Today, this video will learn about how to earn $2,000 a day in free passive income. Before we begin, let me remind you that if you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you don't wish to miss any videos, make sure to click that red subscribe button and switch on the notifications so you get informed whenever a new video appears. Now let's jump into the video. So the very initial website I will be revealing to you today is called Shutterstock.com. It is the website that will be paying us today. Now, Shutterstock is a location where you can locate thousands upon thousands of royalty-free pictures. It suggests that when you download them, you can utilize them however you want. As well as the reason numerous people are using Shutterstock is because it's far less expensive to pay Shutterstock a set amount of cash each month and download photos were taken by professional photographers instead of buying a camera and attempting to take them yourself or conversely having to pay a photographer. So this is why Shutterstock is so extremely popular. It's just merely a cheaper and simpler option if you wish to locate wonderful looking pictures. Currently, you will certainly find it on their homepage. Some of the world's biggest companies, you have the like of Google, AMC, BuzzFeed and Marvel on here. So it's absolutely a legitimate website. Now, as I state, this site will certainly indeed pay us. And as you may guess, this implies that we will have to upload pictures below. Yet below is the twist. You won't require a camera or any skills for this purpose. I understand that most of you watching this don't have a camera, not to mention skills or experience in photography. So I will make it clear right now that you won't require them. Now something that makes Shutterstock so wonderful to make money online is that you will essentially generate money in passive income. The method you earn money is passive. When a person downloads your picture, you make money a set amount of cash. As well as, since your photos remain on right here permanently, that indicates that you can make money in pure passive income. You upload the photos right here and also leave them be. That's all there is to it. Your work is done. Moreover, something that makes Shutterstock also far better to earn money by uploading image is the reality that it's so popular. Utilizing this website that I have shown numerous times on my channel is called SimilarWeb.com. You can see specific statistics on how much traffic any kind of website available enters the past few months. Whether or not the numbers are increasing or decreasing as far as Shutterstock is concerned. As you can see in the past month, the numbers are growing. 72 million people visited Shutterstock. This is 13% greater than in February when just 65 million people checked out the website. So essentially, there are not just millions of people visiting Shutterstock, implying that you have an excellent possibility to make a great deal of money. Still, the numbers have been increasing since late. So, it's a good time to start using it to earn money. Anyhow, back on Shutterstock, I wish to show you now exactly what you require to do when you initially begin here. It is to scroll down to the extremely bottom and after that click sell your content, which is located simply under the 4 contributor sections. Doing so will take you directly over to here. And also on this page are several things I would like to show you. To begin with, you can see in a bit extra detail just how it works. So generally, photographers take their photos and then they upload them onto Shutterstock and they will certainly generate income every time. Our worldwide clients download their content. So like I claimed before, the much more downloads on your photo, the even more cash that you will certainly make. As well as considering that this site gets so much traffic, it's assured that you will certainly get paid a decent amount. Lastly, you can see that you can likewise refer people right here to make more cash. And this website is wonderful to advertise as an affiliate. and I will discuss that in the future. The last thing I wish to reveal to you is something you saw, because by clicking on See Global Earnings, you will see that this site is globally available. I have been getting many comments from people who want websites that are available in many countries, and Shutterstock definitely is. If you are from Africa, Asia or anywhere, it doesn't matter. This website will certainly operate in your country and you can earn money by using it. In any case, to get started working for Shutterstock, you need to return over to the right here, come back up and click on Get Started. After that, enter your basic information as well as create an account. And you are great to go. With that done, let me show you the site where you can get the claimed pictures, and idplr.com is what you will want to utilize. It's a site where you can locate not just images but additionally various other products. And you can see which item exactly by floating your computer mouse over products here. You have got ebooks, software videos, templates, graphics and also music. Because we want photos, we will intend to click with resell rights situated simply under the graphics section. That will take you over to here. As you have seen, it's stated with resell rights. That implies we have full rights to generate income of these photos. And something I genuinely like concerning this website, that I assume you will undoubtedly as well, is that these pictures are all grouped up into packages. So you will not need to spend God knows just how much time downloading them one by one. Just download them among these packages that contains hundreds as much as thousands of various images. As an example, here is just one of those that I have opened. If you scroll down here, you will see this. Can be sold? Yes. So you can sell this as well as earn money from it. Something of note, also state you likewise have something you can't do, such as modify the product. So maintain that in mind and make sure to read all of this before downloading the images. In any case, to download it, you have to click on download right here. However, to do that, you will need an account. So click right here and also create one real quick. As soon as you do, you will want to download all of the packages you can locate below. And after that, return on over to Shutterstock and upload all of these images you have just gotten. As well as, given that there will be numerous of them, that enables you to make a great deal of more cash in passive income. Because we are discussing thousands of images right here. Keeping that claimed, for those of you who have stayed with me up till this point, I have a bonus technique for you to earn even more money in passive income. Exactly how? Well, via their referral program. If you keep in mind, I stated a while back. To get started as an affiliate, scroll to the bottom one more time and click on affiliate located under the partner section and check this out. Join the Shutterstock affiliate program and earn approximately $300 per brand new customer purchase. So a single person you refer right here can make you around $300. It's crazy. Shutterstock is just one of the most excellent paying websites available regarding affiliate marketing is concerned. So it is beneficial to promote it as an affiliate using various social media platforms like Facebook. You don't need to, yet it's a wonderful choice in my opinion, since the cash will start accumulating when you add in the affiliate program. Last but not least, if you are a photographer or intend to become one and also have a camera, then that's the very best option out of all. Considering that taking the photos on your own will add an originality, and to top it all off, you will certainly be able to do what you enjoy. So in your case, you do not require my approach to get paid. As well as with that, that's it for today's video. If you like it, as always, support me by giving this video a thumbs up. And also, if you have not already, be sure to click that red subscribe button and turn on the notification if you don't wish to miss any of my upcoming videos. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the following videos.